My name is Brandon Wallengren at 5-Star Bass Solutions. I'm a partner at the business over sales and marketing. Marketing is one of our key pillars at 5-Star Bass Solutions. At the end of the day, the product and service that we deliver to a customer is a bathroom remodel, and that's a key component of our business, of course. But what a lot of current or potential franchisees love about our business is our marketing support. Many franchisees that come to our business are impressed with the fact that they can run oftentimes a plug and play marketing system, something that they can just set it and forget it and control the budget. We have a team in-house that manages all of the Google marketing programs along with other online marketing programs throughout North America. And then related to that, we run a full call center in our offices here in Northern Utah. We've got at any point 40 to 50 call center agents that also handle all of the appointment setting. So we handle all of the inbound calls and also make all of the outbound scheduling calls. It's having a very strong marketing program and then bringing that together with a call center to do all of the appointment setting on behalf of our franchise owners. The home improvement space is an enormous industry. Bathroom remodeling, of course, is an enormous space in and of itself. One of the attractive features to our franchise is that this is a very, very low overhead business. Many of our franchise owners will operate their business out of a home office. We have a very, very moderate startup cost. Most of the key expenses of the business are variable expenses. So there's no need to have a showroom. There's no need to keep a big inventory of product. Our expectation is that our franchise owners are running really, really lean, low overhead businesses, but at the same time are highly scalable. The business really scales on people. As the business grows and they get bigger and bigger and start doing more and more volume, instead of having to make a big capital investment, they simply add people into their business. So it's a business model where they can maintain that low overhead structure without giving up the high volume or the highly scalable potential within the bathroom remodeling business. All of our new franchisees start with a pre-training program, which is 15 to 20 hours of over-the-phone training. And this takes place before we fly them to our corporate offices in Utah for live training, which is a week training here in person. The training here in Utah is really geared around the business side of the franchise system. So we're going to talk about sales and marketing and finances. We won't talk a lot about the actual remodeling process. We do have a separate training camp that we run for the franchisees' technicians, so we can jump in and be involved and help to train those new technicians that they have. A common question in the bathroom remodeling space is what type of franchisee can be successful in 5-Star Bass Solutions. We do have some franchise owners that have home improvement backgrounds, folks that came into the business already with that experience and were looking for the support of a franchise system. But many of our franchisees come from other walks of life. They've been entrepreneurs in other industries. Maybe they've been in corporate America. They bring other skills into the business, and that's highly attractive for us as well. This opportunity is about running a business. We believe in the bathroom remodeling space. It's a great opportunity to compete in the space, and we have systems to set ourselves apart. If we have a franchise owner or prospective franchise owner that has a finance background or a sales background or a marketing background, they can also be successful at 5-Star Bass Solutions. They do not have to have bathroom remodeling experience. This is about a business opportunity that they can grow and scale and learn the industry, but they will not be on the tools. They'll be running the business day to day. We have ongoing support for all of our franchisees. Our franchise owners always have an operations coach, someone that works with them every day if needed on helping to support and build their business. They also have marketing support, so folks that they can call and get marketing coaching and advice, and it will help them to build a marketing plan towards success. The relationship that we have with our franchise owners is of utmost importance to us. We have an annual conference once a year, so at a minimum, we get in person with all of our franchisees. We do refresher training, we do workshops, we sit in round tables, we counsel together, we talk about best practices. And so the business, of course, is a financial opportunity, but it's also a relationship, something that we want to have new franchisees or existing franchisees that are happy in their business, happy day to day, and are thrilled with the relationships and partnerships that they have with us or with other owners.